I guess I could give you all a quick little update on what I'm doing in here today. You may have seen a picture of this garage before I started. I didn't actually start filming early this morning, and it is early this morning. I got out here before the sun came up because I wanted to get out here while it was still cool, and pretty much cleaned everything out of the floor. As I've told you before, at some point I started working on these table things, and they're going to go right down the center of this. So I've either put everything up somewhere or pushed it back out of the way so that I could clean this middle out. And this is where I'm going to sit my table. And then after I do that, I can make more additional arrangements. Yeah, that's where we're at. Pretty much everywhere I look, I see something that could be addressed, and I don't want to get off in a direction that gets me sidetracked. Otherwise, I won't get anything done. Does that make sense? No, probably not. I don't care. It is what it is. Those of you that know me know me. Okay, that's the start of my table. It's going to be that long. Going to have boards down here and boards up here. I'll go pull the nails out of my next board, and we'll move along from there. Hi. Hi. Yeah. 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 Big enough for banjos.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
The workbench?
Yeah.
Is that what you had with all the nails? Is that, did Bill come over this morning?
He hasn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can put banjo stuff down here.
Yeah.
All that stuff up there, banjo stuff, boxes full of it. And then actually have the workspace to work on my banjos up here.
Was this fit against this wall? Is that what you're thinking?
Just sit right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Walk all around it as you need to, huh?
Mm-hmm. Not a big work table.
That it is. Certainly is. These are all one piece, huh?
Yep.
Wow. All of these.
The other thing is that these will ruin if they stay out in the weather. So by getting them in and saving them, if I ever want to knock it apart and use them, I can knock it apart and use them, but I can't leave them in the weather because they'll run out pretty quick.
Is this all of them?
No, there's more
Okay,
back
this,
there.
yeah.
The one ones I don't use to make the table, I'll put under the table.
Okay.
Need to run the boat some.
Yeah.
Just to keep the battery. Okay, that's a start. It's hot and sweaty out here. I think I'm gonna knock off. Honeybaby's got some shelves she wants me to build in the house. So I might go make a run into town and get me some nice shelving material. And I didn't pull nails out of these ones yet, and some of these are rotted to the point where I need to throw them in the scrap pile. But I got a lot of them done, and I'll come back to these ones when I feel more like it. Okay. Howdy Bob and Lisa are coming up soon, and I wanted to get that cleaned out from back there before they get here. So I managed to do that today. I need to clean up in the garage over here and cut the grass. But yeah, we still got a few days to get things done. Oh, what a joy.